Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is June 25th, 2021, and I'm going to be transplanting some of my eggplant seedlings here. See, I already have one done over here, and I normally have these done a whole lot sooner than this, but I had to wait till I got some extra room in the greenhouses, and unfortunately I had to wait to get them done. Normally I do them like in April or May in the greenhouse, but this year everything was so full I just didn't have any room. So we took the strawberry plants and the hanging baskets out, and they'll be going in the ground, and I got my extra room I need now. So normally I start my eggplants in like the Jiffy peat pellets, and then I go ahead and put them in the Jiffy biodegradable containers. But last year I started some in some regular seed starting mix and then transplanted them, because eggplants don't like to have their roots disturbed. So disturbing the root system of an eggplant is not a good thing. So I always use biodegradable containers for them. But what I'm going to do with this, you can see the beautiful root system on it. I'm not going to disturb this root system. I'm just going to set it in here like this, and this does work. I've done it before, and it works very nicely. I'm just going to fill in around here. I'm using Miracle-Gro all-purpose potting mix, and I've mixed in a little bit of Epsom tomato tone, and I mixed in a little bit of Epsom salts. So I'm going to get this watered here then. I'm going to water till water runs out the bottom. Now I am going to be keeping my potting mix here moist. I don't want it soggy, and I don't want my eggplants standing in water, but I am going to keep them moist. And I will be feeding this once every other week with an organic product called Sea Magic. That helps your plants to grow faster. It helps them to bloom better from what I've seen. Sweeter fruits, more fruit. It gives you a quicker harvest. And I did a video on my channel with my experience with using Sea Magic, because I've been using that for a long time, and you can check that out on there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this watered. Now you also want to make sure that your eggplants are in full sun, and eggplants love the heat. So I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in zone 5B, and I find that I get the best crop for my eggplants out of the greenhouses. So I rarely put them outside anymore. I do have a few that will be going outside, but this one here is going in the greenhouse. I have an Aswad eggplant over here, and I'm probably going to put the Matoya in the greenhouse as well, because I never got to actually really get a good crop out of the Matoya outside. So I'm going to be putting it in the greenhouse. So I'm going to get this watered here. So as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more update videos and I'll show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That's how I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!